If you've blocked someone on TikTok and now want to unblock that account and also want to see how many people you've blocked in total, then make sure to watch this video till the end. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock a TikTok account step by step. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok application. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. You'll see the profile option. Tap on it. Now that your profile is open, you'll see 3 lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that icon. After that, tap on the settings and privacy option to open TikTok settings. Once you tap on settings and privacy, your TikTok account settings will open. Now, scroll down slightly and you'll find the privacy option. Tap on it. After opening privacy, scroll down again and you'll see the option for blocked accounts. Tap on the blocked accounts option. Now, here you'll be able to see all the accounts you've blocked on TikTok. To unblock any of them, simply tap the unblock button next to their name. As soon as you tap unblock, that account will be unblocked. This is how you can very easily unblock TikTok accounts and also check how many people you've blocked so far. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.